Hello guys, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to retouch skin in Photoshop in just 1 minute or less. So let's start. So first of all, remove the blemishes, and then make a copy of the background layer or the subject layer, whatever there is, by pressing Ctrl+J. And then press Ctrl+I to invert it. Change the blend mode of this from normal to vivid light. Now, once you change the blend mode, go to Filter, Other, and inside of Other there is High Pass. Increase the value to the point where everything blends in. For this example, 5.2 is great. Hit OK once you are satisfied. Again, go to Filter, Blur, and then Gaussian Blur. Increase the value to the point where skin texture starts showing up. For this example, 0.9 is a great value. Hit OK. And then, all you have to do, create a negative mask by holding the Alt option and clicking on the mask button. This creates a black mask. Take the brush and just simply go ahead. Make sure the foreground color is white and zoom in and paint on the skin very nicely. Just make sure that you stay away from the edges. So there you go. This is the after, and this is the before. If you think it is too much, you can always go ahead and decrease the opacity, and that's fine. Done. So that's how you do it. Like this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting Photoshop tutorials.